Steal viral content ideas legally. Yes, watch this. My name is Sudhakar. I'm your digital marketing expert from Lead Sync Link. Let me show you how to do that. First, head towards Google. Click on Ahrefs Sign In and click on the first link which comes up on the browser. Over here, click on AI Content Helper and select the keyword which you want to target. For me, I want to try home renovation ideas. Paste your keyword over here. You can also change the location and then create document. Now you can see the top content pages with backlinks, the value, and as well as the traffic. Click on continue. I already have a prompt which I want to request for Ahrefs AI. Copy that and quickly paste it over here and click copy this URL and then paste it over here. Import content from URL. Now as you can see, the content score is 80. You got the best content to make your blog go viral. Don't copy paste it as it is. Just make some quick changes to make sure that you avoid plagiarism from Google. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe so that it makes me motivated to make many more videos such as this. See you guys in the next video. Take care.